All right, guys, 2014 Honda CRV. We got a bulb out. Check that out. Not working. Working. So we're gonna replace that bulb. So you could simply start the car. I got it on the lift and turn the wheel to the right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start the car. We're gonna turn the wheel to the right. So we have axis there. We'll shut off the car. You could just work just like that, okay? Even though I'm gonna take it up in the lift, I'm gonna turn off the lights. And even though I'm gonna put it on the lift, but you can work on it just like that, okay? All you need to do is take off this and move this cover to the side. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna turn this, get this baby off. And you could use a flathead screwdriver, or if you got a clip removing tool such as this, it's like a fork. It will probably break your clips because they're old. Let me not mess with that one. So usually these clips will break. That's the crappy part about it. Now we just need to fish out this fender liner here and move it out of the way. And all you need to do is yank it as much as you can. And you see right down there, you got your bulb right there in a tight little spot. That's where we need to get to, because we still got this intake housing right in front of us. But all you need to do is turn this baby counterclockwise, just like any other bulb. Let's see if I can manage to do this. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this counterclockwise, and let's see if I could do it. There's no other process, okay, unless you want to go in the bottom, take everything off. But the bumper is one piece, so it's not gonna give you no room. This is the best way, okay? And let me get that off. Okay, so what I did was I took off the connector. You see the connector sitting down here? Has a tab in the back. So now all I'm gonna do is maybe I have to leave my camera right here. And you're probably not gonna see it, guys. And I'm gonna turn this baby counterclockwise. And hopefully, okay, my camera just faced freaking south. Let's just turn it back. We got it halfway out. And what I'm gonna do is I already turned it off, and here comes our bulb. There it is. So in the back, let's come out. Let's bring this camera out. Let's bring our light out. Okay, we don't need the light. We can leave the light in the back. It says H11, so that's the bulb you're gonna need. When I got this fill up, H11 C1, and this is what the bulb looked like. Make sure it's not used or anything. So we're gonna do the same thing. Let me put my camera back in there, but I'm gonna put this on top of the box here for now. But let me leave my camera right over here, so some of you guys can probably see something here and do this out. Okay. They don't even leave a good spot for the camera. There you go. My arm is definitely gonna hit that camera, so I cannot drop the bulb whatsoever. And you don't want to touch the filament of the bulb. So I'm gonna have to do this without the camera, guys, because the camera, I'm gonna tip it anyway. Remember, the angle that you took it out from, that's the angle you're gonna start from. Okay, all I need to do is, the bulb is kind of crooked, I'm gonna leave my camera here. I gotta unturn it and turn it back in again. And I don't want it to catch those. Like I said, they didn't even leave a spot for the camera. I gotta undo this bulb. Okay, the camera's stuck. No way, huh? Okay, so I'm back with the camera again. I got the bulb positioned at the perfect angle, and all we need to do is camera moved. That's why I'm sitting here, camera bouncing around. Okay, the camera can still probably see it from right here. Yep. Okay, we're gonna put this baby, turn this baby a little bit more. There you go. And now the hardest part, taking the camera, fish it with your fingers. I'm sorry, not the camera, the connector. Line it and push it into the tab. Okay, so I'm gonna do that without the camera, and all you do is click the connector right back in, and that's it. And then we'll test the bulb. If you want to make your life a little bit easy, you could take off the clip here and the number 10mm right there, you should be able to have a little bit of access from right down here, okay? And if you remove a couple of more of these clips, this cover will come off, but it's a disaster. Anyways, I'm gonna put all this back together and then we'll take a look at it if the ball works or not. But I would check before that, but I know it's gonna work. We should be good to go. Anyways, let's put everything back together. Okay, the job is done. Let's put on the lights. And there you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, there you go. All right, guys. Thank you for watching my video. A lot of times I would recommend you, if you change one, change the second one with it. Other than that, it's good to go. Check all your lights and everything. And doing the opposite side is the same way. It might be a little bit easier because this thing has an air system to it. Oh, my gloves are on the way. Anyways, thank you for watching my video.